Are you tired of spending hours editing videos for social media? What if there was a way to create engaging content quickly? Enter AI Reel Makers, the solution to your video editing woes. In this video, we'll explore how these powerful tools work and introduce the best options available in 2026. AI Reel Makers automate the creation of short vertical videos for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. They utilize existing long-form content, such as webinars and podcasts, to generate short clips without extra recording time. This means you can post engaging content more frequently. How do they work? AI Reel Makers analyze your video, identifying high-value moments that engage viewers. They score segments based on clarity and engagement, cutting and formatting these snippets automatically. You don't need to spend hours editing. AI tools can produce clips in under 5 minutes. Let's dive into the top AI Reel Makers of 2026. Pictory is perfect for marketers wanting to repurpose content. It applies branding automatically, saving you time with each clip. InVideo, on the other hand, builds reels from scratch using scripts. Opus Clip helps creators score clips by potential virality, prioritizing the best to post first. CapCut is great for creators seeking control over editing, while HeyGen provides presenter-led reels using AI avatars. Using Pictory's Highlights and Clips feature is straightforward. Start by uploading your video. The tool transcribes the content automatically. Next, review suggested clips, customize selections, and apply your brand kit. Then, set the aspect ratio for each platform and download your clips. The key to successful reels lies in grabbing attention quickly. Ensure your opening statement is compelling. Auto-captioning increases engagement, making your content accessible even without sound. In conclusion, AI Reel Makers streamline your content creation process, allowing you to focus on what matters, connecting with your audience. Ready to transform your long-form content into engaging reels? Try Pictory for free today and unlock a week's worth of social posts in minutes.